In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect X to n8n, setting you up for seamless automation without having to write a single line of code. To kick things off, you'll need to open n8n and start a fresh workflow. This is your blank canvas where you'll construct the automation sequences. Visualize it as your digital workspace ready to be tailored for efficiency. Now let's add what's called an X node to your workflow canvas. Think of a node as a building block within your workflow. Each node performs specific actions or retrieves certain data, integral for automation. With the X node added, we'll now move on to establishing a connection between X and n8n, which is a crucial step for enabling communication between these two platforms. Next, head over to the settings of your X node. Here, you're going to initiate the creation of a new credential. This credential acts as the key that unlocks the door for n8n to interact with X. It's a secure way to ensure that your data stays private and accessible only to you. When setting up your new credential, choose Auth2 API as your authentication method. OAuth2 stands for Open Authorization 2, a widely used industry standard that offers a secure and robust way of granting third-party applications access without sharing passwords. Once you've chosen OAuth2, you'll need to enter your client ID and client secret. These are crucial components. They're essentially unique identifiers that you should already have obtained from your X developer account. Paste them carefully into their respective fields in n8n. Now comes the part where we give this credential a name. Make it descriptive enough for easy identification later. Something like My X Integration could work well. A good naming convention helps maintain clarity and organization, especially as you start managing more connections. With your credential named, click Connect Account. You're about to tie everything together. A pop-up will appear prompting you to sign into your X account. It's like n8n knocking on X's door, asking for permission to enter. Sign in and proceed to authorize the n8n application. The pop-up will present the Authorize App button. By clicking this, you're granting n8n permission to interact with X on your behalf. It's all part of the secure handshake process between these platforms, ensuring only you can authorize these actions. Finally, return to n8n and look for a green check mark. It's a little symbol, but one that signifies a successful connection between X and n8n. With that, you're good to go. You can now leverage the X node in your n8n workflow to automate a range of tasks effortlessly, whether it's creating tweets, sending direct messages, or retrieving user information. Enjoy the seamless automation, all achieved without any coding.